What is up, everybody? Andrew here, SoCal Tester Runs. It is a Tuesday, April 7, 2026. I just left work. I'm still in my work uniform, but we are headed down to ROVE, to their new location in Costa Mesa. It's their grand opening, you know, for Creators Day. It's their new location for superchargers, and really excited to see what their new location is all about, and you know, all the cool amenities and everything that they have to offer. So I'm headed over to pick up my girlfriend really quick, and then we are going to head down to Costa Mesa. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're about an hour away, a lot of traffic, so we should be there around 7 p.m. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick update that we are on the roll. So we just got to ROVE in Costa Mesa. We are inside right now, and we've got some snacks here. We got here a little bit late, but we got some complimentary waters, some sparkling water, got some cookies, brownies, some bread, some spread, and a whole bunch of cheese. Nice, can't wait to try it. Wow, that's coffee?
I believe this is drip. This is the bean to cup.
Okay, cool.
So you can
Very
make
nice.
like
cappuccinos, lattes.
Yeah. It's
Sweet.
really nice. I love it.
Awesome.
Really
Orange
about.
juice.
Fresh juice OJ.
Very nice. You can bottle it yourself and then pay for it at the cashier.
Yep.
Very nice. Frozen coffee, got soft drinks. Very cool. Wow.
Beer cave in there.
Wow.
Very cold.
So I don't think the Santa Ana location has something like this.
Yeah,
so this is
new, and then it's also a hot bar.
Oh.
So panini, pizza, chicken fingers, already be hot food ready for you to
very
enjoy.
nice, very nice. Cool. Bites for the road. Got some small cakes, cheesecakes.
We have balloons if you ever forget someone's birthday.
Wow.
Here, you can get a cake, balloons, gift cards. Exactly.
Wow.
There's good stuff behind.
Okay, so we've got 28 chargers here, 28 Tesla superchargers. It's pretty massive, actually. Yeah, a couple Cybertrucks here. And that's my car right there. This is Will at F the Pump. This is Sherwin here. Super clean Model Y. Oh man, I love this thing. Make sure you follow him on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe. Sherwin M, the one and only. Yeah, this is a pretty cool state-of-the-art location to charge your vehicle. It's very safe, very clean. I'm really looking forward to seeing more locations like this pop up in the future. Alright, so I'm gonna plug in to charge. Okay, so pretty good lighting here at ROVE, Costa Mesa. And that's one way you can spot it, is the big ROVE sign, 2666 Harbor Boulevard, Costa Mesa. right next to a Goodwill. See you, Will. Take care. Good night. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and thanks again to ROVE for this amazing location here in Costa Mesa. Really looking forward to seeing more of these places pop up all across Orange County, LA County, even in Ventura County. It would be really cool to see one of these pop up in other cities. So make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content. Take care.